So I'm coming back in here to Hidden Haven Camp to get Linda's phone for her, and I don't know if I'm going to get across the creek or not because I see a couple of pickups stopped up here. So I guess I'll see what they have to say when I get up here. Maybe one of them is Rick and he's got the phone. Okay, well there's a car stopped here and another little SUV just went ahead of me, so I guess I'll see if they're getting through or not. Nope, they're turning around. Let me see what the water looks like here. Let them get turned around. Go back the other way. Okay, so here we are. Yeah, it's pretty swift, but it's not so deep, so I'm going to put it in four-wheel drive and give her a shot here. Make sure I got my four-wheel drive on. Okay, going now. Alright, we made it up the way, getting ready to cross the raging torrent again here, going back down out of the camp. We made it in. Let's hope we make it out. We need to grade their road. It's getting pretty rough here. You can see the water rushing off those rocks over there. Okay, we can give it a shot here. Alright, made it back out. Forded the stream, rescued Linda's phone.